So today I'll talk you through updating fields on a survey or form. So looking at this particular client survey, they wanted to change out some of these fields, and so we are going to do that today. So first one is, what is your anticipated budget? This was a field where they could enter whatever they like, but we're actually going to change that. So going into this add survey element section, we will see that there are some custom fields here, but we are going to add them. So you can do this from the settings section of the hub, or you can do it directly in the survey when you're making it. For this one, we're going to drop down a single option and let them choose that. Now, when I'm labeling my fields, I like to say what they're pertaining to. So we're going to say qualification survey, and we are going to say budget. We're going to add this to the contact record in additional info. And on a separate document here, I have the values that they would like populated here. So we're adding these options, okay? All right, and save. Now there's another question that they would like. They would like locations. We're going to add another custom field. I'm going to go here. Again, we're going to give it a code at the front there, and that will make sense later because you will want to be able to find these fields when you are mapping them across to a notification. And there is one more here that they would like done. Completion date. Yeah, okay, we'll leave that so they can type it in. All right, so from here we have our fields. You can see they've come across in here. So we're going to actually cross that one off, and we're going to say budget. And we'll adjust the field title here. And we'll make sure that it did all sorts of weird things. Anticipated budget. So with surveys, you can actually have it skip to a different slide depending on their answer. But for this one, it's just going to go to next slide. So after they say that one, arranged financing, we're going to swap out this one when you're looking to commence. We're going to move that one over and job. All right. So we're adding this one in. And we'll save as we go because this doesn't auto-save. And I think we'll just add a slide up here for location. And save. All right, so now that we've added all of these custom fields, you're going to want to make sure that you are getting notified when they are submitted. So we're going to exit out of this, and you will need to find your respective workflow that relates to these surveys or forms. I just want to note now as well, if you need to edit any fields, you go into settings and then you will see custom fields and you can find your fields there. Now we are going to go into qualifying survey submitted. And so here is where you can send the survey responses to yourself via an internal notification, email, or SMS, and also have them added to the notes. So here we'll see that there is a note. And on this note, we're going to see all the fields. Oh, nope, not on that one. Where does it go? Where does it go? All right. Notification email. All right, so we'll see here that they have all the fields. So we're going to start adding them. So when you're looking up your custom values, your contact, custom fields, and we'll see here, if we had a lot of different fields, it would make it really hard to differentiate what is specific to this form, which is why I give it a little code. So we can easily go, yep, that's there. Location, do you have plans? When are they looking to commence? We're going to remove that one. When would they like the job completed by? Go into their contact, custom fields, and find that one there. Map it over, anticipated budget, and we are just going to swap that one out, custom fields and budget. So save that action, save it here. Now, if we would also like to see in the notes what was on that form, instead of having to go and look in the custom fields, we can actually add it here. So there we go. And now all of the notes will be in the notes section. Save and save. So that is how you add custom fields to a form or survey. And while I'm here, I will hop out of here quickly, just showing you. So you go to custom fields and settings, and that's where you can find your existing custom fields. So I'm going to search QS, see what fields come up with that. Budget location. So say we want to add another spot to budget, then we're going to go there, add option, and save. And that's how we can add to our existing custom fields. All right. Hope that this all made sense. If it doesn't, please reach out and we'll give you a hand. Cheers.